So I wanted to find out how far will my plug-in hybrid go on EV mode only, using only the electric motor. So the night before, I was charging it at a charging station, and here it is plugged in. The place was about to close down, so I could not get it fully charged. The car said I had 20 minutes to go to be fully charged, but let's call it 90% charged. Because it starts charging at a slower rate the closer to full it gets. So I'm going to reset the trip meter. Over here I have all the bars in the battery, and I put the car in drive, then in B, to recapture more energy when slowing down or coming to a stop, and I get to use less brake as well. So now I'm leaving the place, I'm going home. It's about a couple kilometers away. The next morning, it's still showing full here on the car's screen. And today I'm going to be doing a longer drive to the next town over because I need to pick something up. I have the climate control off. I have the heated seats off. We're in the daytime, so my lights are off. Although in Canada we have something called daytime running lights, which turns on the front headlights on a lower power. It's a safety mandate we have over here. And the drive is mostly city type speeds, and we'll get to a section later where it's a bit faster, and traffic conditions are average. It's 2:30 in the afternoon, so some people are about to go and pick up their kids. Some people who work early might be leaving work soon, but it's not rush hour yet. I have a full tank of gas, and my tire pressure, it's recommended to be inflated to 36 psi, but I have inflated them to 38. This is not something I am recommending or advising you to do. It's just something I've always done. I've always inflated my tires maybe 2 psi above the manufacturer's recommended spec. We're coming up to the top of this bridge and going down right now. Easy off on the throttle to recapture some energy, and you can barely see it on the bottom monitor there on the car screen. It shows some energy is being sent to the battery, and that's a good thing about driving in B. I have to do more research to see if there's anything, if there's any issue with that, but it does save me from touching the brakes. Over here, I'm going to do an acceleration test. 0 to 100 kilometers an hour, 0 to 60 miles per hour. Nobody's here, and foot hard down. Again, I'm doing this on EV mode only. I have not used the gas engine in a couple of days since fully charging it. And this is the great thing about plug-in hybrids. So I have a full tank of gas. I charge the car cheaply. It's great for going short distances like this. And it's the best of both worlds, really, because sometimes I'm trying to charge this car. I get to a place. There are other people lined up there, or there's one side of the charger out of service and the other side is occupied. So this is great, but in my area I figured out basically where to hunt for chargers, and it's about 3 times as fast as charging it at home. There are also free chargers provided by different businesses and some from the government, but good luck trying to use one. People are lined up, and it's not even that expensive to charge this. It's about $1 Canadian per hour where I live. So I just, whenever I go to the pool or the gym or shopping, if they have a charger there, I'll just pay for it. It's just $1 per hour. And we'll see. I mean, so far I've been driving on electric only, and it will be interesting to see how far I can make it before the gas engine comes on. Sometimes the gas engine will kick on when I have 2 bars of battery left, if I'm at a stop. If I'm rolling easy peasy, it usually kicks on when I go down to 1 bar. Again, climate control and heated seats are both off, and we are down to 2 bars of electricity left. Been driving for 37 kilometers or 22 miles. After some time, the gas engine came on. I'm down to 1 bar and the gas engine came on. And on EV mode, I have done 49 kilometers or about 30 miles, which is more than what Toyota said this car should do on EV mode only. So this trip is over, experiment is over, and this is what Toyota said. It should do 40 kilometers or 25 miles, which is always a good thing to under-promise and over-deliver. So I'm still new to this car. I'm learning a lot about its features. If you have any tips or anything about this car, let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching. Hopefully, maybe you learned something from this experiment.